What's up, guys? I just want to show y'all a pickup I got the other day. So I'm just going to run down and show you a couple things I got. So let's get into it. Let's see. I guess I'll start here. I got a whole case of these. I'm not going to try to say any names. So I got the big boy here. The big rat. 200 shot. Let's see. Got a case of these. Already lit too. I might have to do a demo and show them to y'all. I haven't seen a lot of videos on these. Ace 5. Try them out. See what they're about. I got a case of the DPs. Whole case. All boom. Got a case of these. Y'all should know what these are. I got a sleeve of these. I just want to try them out. I think I'm going to do a comparison between these and the DPs. Let's see. Got another 1-1. My good boy Chang. I had a whole case of these. I ended up trading for this. So I wanted to give this one a shot and see what it's about. So I just traded up on him. I mean, I had a whole case, so I was like, I'll just take one of these. And I got a case of these. I got some 1-3 product too. I might open that up here in a second. But that's pretty much what I got of that. So I'll switch over and show you my 1-3 and my racks. Oh yeah, and I forgot that I have one of these as well. I wanted to give it a try. I picked up one just to see what it's about. So let me show you the racks. I want to show you guys my racks. I think these right here are 4-inch. There's 6 in a rack. I got 2 of those. I got a 50 shot angled that I made. It's heavy. It's really heavy. Let's see. I got 2 12 shot racks just to lug around. I need to make me a little 6, so I'll have them be easier to move around. But I have these 2. I have back here in the back 3 10 shot 3-inch racks. And I made this one. This is actually my first rack. It's got 4 3s in it, 1 4, 1 5, and 1 6. And I picked these up the other day from Palmetto State Pyro. Check them out. Check them out on Facebook. Check them out their website. These are some really good racks. Really good racks. They set flush in there. You can tell the quality of them. I highly recommend these. Alright, here at my magazine. First off, I got some 3-inch shells. I want to say it's 12 different effects. And I want to say it's 6 of each effect. I got a 200 and it's upside down. 250 shot brocade crown with tail, brocade crown with crosshead, 45 seconds. This one here is one of my favorites. It's mixed with Salute and color. Really good cake. Really good cake. I couldn't find any slices, so I ended up getting some 1-3 slices. Kind of hard to find some 1-4 slices right now, so I just ended up picking some of these up. And I have another one. This one here is a 10x8 shot Z, colorful horsetail with silver tail. It lasts 15 seconds. Just want to show you some 1-3 product that I have as well. And I'll be demoing some of this stuff off soon. Some comparisons. Try to keep some content on my channel. Hope y'all guys keep watching. Thank you.